Good morning. Thanks for some great conversations that took place yesterday. I want to take just a few minutes to follow up with you on what your next steps are. So we're going to enter into our team, as we always do, first through the portal that brings you here, and then you're going to go into your educational opportunities and high expectations. You're going to go over here to your notebook page. You'll go into the table of contents. And finally to the analysis tool template page. We're going to expand our screen so you can see. You're going to scroll down here under this last section. The first link is to a summary of all of the work that you guys have done for the last week. It summarizes each of the procedures. It summarizes your comments. So this, I encourage you to review prior to filling out the actual matrix. The next link that you're going to see on here is a procedure review checklist. This has been updated based on your conversations yesterday. Whatever needs to be evaluated on the matrix, you now have a quick little checklist. I encourage you to break this work up, not to do it all in one day. Perhaps you could do 5 at a time. The last link you have is to the actual solution matrix. This is an electronic version of a form that Gwinnett County has used for many, many years. It's a simple tool. When you go to this link, you're going to be filling in your name. You're going to select the group, the focus group that you were in. Down here are the indicators that we talked about yesterday that you will be applying to each procedure that you're reviewing. This is the scoring guide that we didn't really talk about yesterday. Then you're going to come up here. All of the procedures that your team reviewed yesterday or the past week was in the student section. When you click on students, what you see is all the procedures will populate that your team evaluated. What you want to focus on is the ones that you know you need to review. So say we want to review these 3. When I populate these 3, that's what you see that comes up.